lip him?
Yep. See
Okay.
the hook in his lip?
Yeah. So can I do that?
Okay, bring it up. Come on now. Okay. These things are pointy,
Okay.
really pointy.
Ooh.
This is pointy. So when you grab them, you have to either come down from the top and like brush them down, but that's their protective mechanism, or you can come up underneath them and keep them poked up. See how he's trying to get me though?
Mm-hmm.
So that's how you have to do it. That's why I like this thing. Okay. So now what are you gonna do?
You put it through his eyeball.
Oh, it's poking him in the eye. Come on. What are you gonna do?
So, this.
Are you gonna grab him? Okay.
I just don't want to.
See? There we
sorry.
go.
I just don't want to drop him because I
Yeah.
think I'm gonna drop him.
See that? It's blood. It's not my middle finger. It's blood.
I just don't want to drop him. So do you mind holding him? Can I get the hook out?
Do you need something for your?
Gosh, that hurts so bad too.
Do you need something for
Stings.
your finger?
Here, now it's a circle hook. So you need to come around to this side
Ugh.
and you need to grab it hard, like this, and you need to spin it out like a circle. Hard.
Ah! I'm too scared of him shaking. Can you do it? I don't like it. Scares me.
Ah, that stings. Okay, you're not gonna drop the grabber either,
Oh
right?
gosh, I didn't know you were still holding it. Okay, I got a picture. We are actually getting ready to take the yacht out for the first time as a family. So the conditions are great. The wind is good. It's sunny. It's gonna be a great day. So we're just kind of getting ready for that. I got my swimsuit on. Got my coffee made. Jeff is in the shower quick. And then we will get ready to untie and head out to get gas and to enjoy the day out on the water. Today's coffee has got to be a way to start my day. Isaiah, what are your thoughts about taking the boat out?
I'm gonna jump off the top.
Can you jump off the top? Or what'd you say? I'm going to jump off the top?
Yeah, I'm going to. Swimming. Taking the boat out for the first
Are you
time.
excited though?
Yeah,
Cool.
really excited.
So here's a glimpse at our marina water. Yeah. We got pulled up to the marina. We got our diesel. We got some drinks. Captain Jeff is doing
Sweating
great.
a little bit. We kind of got backed out, or came out forward. My power's not quite even. So we ended up backing over here. We're here. Now we'll just wait for the JP to move and then we'll cruise on out. Now we can't move because we got them behind us.
So we are here, and I kind of felt like Game of Thrones with my stick. I was
Oh, you're.
keeping us off the pilings.
I still
and
call
I'm-
them pylons.
I'm glad that I there's some stuff I worry about boating, and I'm glad I don't know the future, because if I would have went to bed last night knowing that I was going to have to use those sticks today to get us out of the slip, I probably wouldn't have slept a wink. So I guess I was better off just being thrown in the spot and dealing with it. Or at least that's what I think. So the kids are hungry because it's noon and we're on the boat cruising. What'd you make, Isaiah, for lunch? I thought you were gonna roll it up and eat it like a wrap. You want to eat it like a flatbread?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you make? Oh yeah, he's got food in his mouth.
Okay, so pita bread, of course. Then ham, I think. I don't even know what I put on it.
Yeah. Black Forest ham
Black
is what
Forest
we got.
ham. And then turkey breast, right?
There's cheese in the fridge too.
I know. I'll show you what I made. Give me a second. Okay, so I have my pita bread. I have mayo. I wish I had mustard, but that's okay. We got turkey breast and cheese. Yay! Food. We love food.
I'm gonna come out here, show you the stern, the boat. Ah, there's St. Pete. Bye bye, St. Pete. Beautiful day to be cruising on the water. Make sure that airplane
Well, I just need
doesn't.
to go ahead and jump from the top. I think so, Zane. You can't do it like a first jump in being weenies.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't hit that airplane up in the sky.
Dad might be able to.
Come up here, babe.
Okay.
See us.
Dad, you might be able to throw me up to that.
I'm gonna peg leg it up.
I'm gonna come up too.
Ooh yeah.
Then just one of us. No, we can probably do it. Just gotta make the donut.
Oh, this is
Well,
an
we're jumping out
amazing.
now,
Trin,
too.
you're in the way, please. You
Remember,
walked
you're
in
not
front of me.
jumping back towards the boat. You're going to jump out. Okay?
3, 2, 1.
Woo! How's it feel?
Good.
I about dropped my phone. I said, how's it feel? And I went, whoosh.
Not much drift. We're drifting with the boat.
Sweet. What's the water temp? 87?
I don't know. Is it?
I ain't
I didn't even look. I thought it was like 80s. Wasn't
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't
it?
know.
No, it doesn't. It's 8. It's like
Yeah.
refreshingly cool,
Awesome.
but not like you wouldn't want to get back in. Yeah! Am I counting to 3? Okay, hold my hand and we'll just jump.
Can you not far out?
We're just gonna jump right to the bubbles. That way we're clear of the boat and we're not there. So we're gonna try and land on that.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, there you go. Good.
You did it.
Open my eyes too early.
Okay, now jump in by yourself to me. See, you're in the water.
Now my eyeballs
There
hurt.
was no open mouth fish waiting for you to jump right into it.
Woo!
Okay, do one on your own now. Jump to the toe.
Before it starts cramping.
That's right.
Yeah, before he cramps.
Save your father before he
You can just
far
jump in.
now.
You don't have to jump to my toe. Just
All
jump
right,
right
go.
in there. Clear from the boat and just jump in. 1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Okay, now
Did
don't
it.
panic. Relax, relax. Okay.
You did it.
That looks like our boat.
Go, go, gaga. Yeah. Jump to daddy.
2, 1.
Are you facing the wrong way, babe?
Yeah. I was like, you go goo goo gaga, come to daddy.
Now see, do a cannonball now. That way any big teeth fish waiting for you, you'll break their teeth out. And then they'll try and gum you that way.
Like 2, 1. Good job.
See what you got. Okay, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Let me walk around with you. You come down here. Come down that way.
Sorry,
I'm
my
gonna
big
get you over to the swim platform. Go over to the swim platform. Okay, come around here. Oh, that hook. Get that flipped back over. Okay.
Do we need to get that pole out of the way?
All right. Okay, just wait, just wait, just wait. Remember, you don't have to horse him in. As soon as you see that leader, Let's see that.
Catfish.
What? A catfish on a big silver spoon? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get him off, so just keep a hold.
I think you lift him.
That's craziness.
Ew, did he just poop? Probably, yeah.
Okay, Trin, give me some room.
Yeah, he's just like crapping all over.
He's losing all of it. He is pooping
He
everywhere.
is very nervous right now.
He's
You think you lose your nerve, Isaiah? That's what losing your nerve looks like.
yeah.
All right, turn to the side, turn to me. No, I want you to keep a hold of it on your arm. Turn him to me.
Yeah, he's losing it. It's like sunflower seeds.
No, don't lift him up. Turn him this way. There you go. Sorry, buddy. Really? A bad night last night that you're pooping yourself? or what?
Yeah, right?
So, Zaid's the first to land one out to sea.
Can I fish now?
Wait, Isaiah's gonna get a picture. Maybe. I don't know.
You want to
Want a
get a picture? Jake? Yeah.
You're not gonna
Ready?
drop my fish grabber,
One,
right?
Ready?
2, 3. Got it.
Wait. Nice, perfect. Can I let him go? Uh-huh. Bye-bye, buddy. Hope you don't poop your pants again.
There we go.
Ooh, yeah. Fish on.
Fish on. Well, we saw it on the shark water.
Ooh.
Oh my
Oh my gosh. I think this might be that thing we saw in the water.
Here we go, folks.
Come on,
Am
Dad.
I gonna need to get out of the way?
Well, we
Oh
saw
my.
two
Oh
fish
my.
at 11 feet, but they're goldfish.
Hopefully it doesn't have too sharp of teeth. I've only got 20-pound fluoro on it. Oh, man. Go under on me. Go under on me.
Trin.
Following me, bad?
Yeah. Just try not to fall off.
Oh, at first I thought that was the fish. Please don't show me.
Ooh.
Oh, I think that's a big old jack.
What's a jack? Oh, that is
Oh,
so
that
Do I
is
need to get out of the
amazing.
way?
I'm going to have to let him wear out a little bit
that
because
is
he is nice.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh,
Woo! There's
oh,
two!
that's the second one.
There's two!
Hold on, I'm getting my camera. Oh my gosh! That is so
You
big.
hear the line singing?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's so hot out here. My feet are
it is
burning.
very hot. Stand on the line.
Okay. Holiday Island prepped me a little bit for that.
Fantastic. This is my best fish so far. Don't go under on me. Don't go under.
Isaiah, can you come over here and never mind. See if I come up again.
Oh. Oh.
You can see ya.
I see them.
Oh. And just the fact there's
Or-
two of them. Or there's
Is there? I think the other one.
That is fantastic. Stay off the barnacles, off the boat.
Can you eat those?
I don't know. I don't know if we can keep it at all.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That is a beautiful fish. We're just gonna wait.
Okay, I'm going to try and work into the back.
You're a beautiful fish.
Dave, will you grab my 2 pliers?
Oh yes, beautiful.
And there's a catalog in there that has fish on it and tells whether or not we can keep it or not. Bring that in
It's
front
a
of the chair
beautiful
over
fish.
here.
It says fish regulations on it.
What was attacking the surface?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Babe! Woo!
Would you look at that?
Just look at it.
Just look at it.
Ugh.
Just look at it.
Oh my gosh. I would have called him like a yellowfin.
Here, I got.
Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and get him in the boat. Move this stuff for me.
What stuff?
All of this stuff. So I'm going to try and bring him up. I'm going to try and get my leader.
I feel
And just
like
bring him straight
I need
in
to
so
get out
everyone
of the
clear
way.
out of the way because he's not going to like it.
A jack.
Yellowfin Jack. Does it say anything about the size and can we keep him?
I'm looking for it.
Got both hooks in him.
Beautiful.
Oh, and he broke it off.
Oh crap!
Dang it. That was such a good fish, Dad. Hey, that was really
A
good.
little disappointing he's gone, but that was a good fish.
You basically.
We are heading back to the marina. Hoping to see some dolphins. We saw them from a distance, but now that I got the video on, they're probably being a little camera shy. We spent the afternoon swimming, fishing, jumping off the fly bridge. It was very fun and it went by really quickly, but now we're heading to park the boat for the first time, so this should be interesting.
Dock the boat.
Oh, dock the boat.
What'd he say?
Park. And you actually dock the boat.
We're gonna dock the boat. Dock the boat.
Dock the boat, baby. Dock the boat. Dock the boat, baby. Dock the boat.
Dock the boat.
Don't know the rest of the song, so dock the boat. Dock the boat.